Hello, this is Lynn McCool. This is the second part of writing instructions and documentation, and we want to focus in on using style and delivery in your emergency instruction design. The first thing that you want to consider is to use plain style with a touch of emotion. Consider your original reader analysis and the context for your document's use. Use simple words and limit jargon. Define words that might be unfamiliar. Keep your sentences short. Use command or imperative style for your steps, and keep it simple and don't over-explain your steps. You should also use a functional, attractive page layout. Incorporate graphics that reinforce your text. You might think about using a 2 or 3 column format to leave room for your graphics. You can use boxes, borders, and lines to highlight information. Use headings that show levels of information or hierarchy, and use examples as models for designing your documentation. Include graphics also that reinforce the written text. You can do this by numbering and titling your graphics so readers can locate them. Refer to the graphics by number in the steps. Put each graphic next to or below the step that refers to it, and check whether graphics could be misunderstood or offensive depending upon cross-cultural readers. All right, let's test your understanding. Why should you consider using a 2 or 3 column design? A, it is easier to read. B, it is more attractive. C, it allows room for graphics. Or D, all of the above. Hopefully you said C, it allows room for graphics. For your emergency instructions, please consider the following. Put the title in large lettering. Use only one side of a page or a poster or placard. Use familiar icons. Group information into visual blocks. Put the safety of people first. Use command voice and keep sentences short. Minimize unnecessary explanation and tell the readers to call for help. In designing your poster, be sure to choose the appropriate software, and there are many different software choices out there, and so whatever one will work well for you and your team. Google has some free design software as well, so you might check that out. Use a prominent title that attracts the reader. Divide your poster into major sections. Keep each section brief and to the point. Use text that is readable from 4 to 5 feet away. Design an interesting layout and include images, graphs, and tables if appropriate. Okay, that ends the second part of writing instructions and documentation as far as the emergency instruction poster design and layout is concerned. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks.